So with Tesla Club NorCal Reno, we're going to South Lake Tahoe. We got a bunch of cool modded Teslas here. We have Tony Pham, he's super cool. We have my Tesla, we have a Sparkbait's Tesla. We have all the Teslas. This is the Tesla Model 3, it's the new Highland Edition. We have the Shark Tesla, we have the Tesla FEV Tesla, we have the crazy lighted Model X Tesla, we have the Model S in Ultra Red, we have one of the OG Model 3s, we have EV's Republic with the blue Model X. Look at this thing, it is so sick. Shark Tesla X2, but without bubbles.
Just let the world embrace us in the silence. We are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. I used to